Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to download Google Offline Maps on your iPhone. Do you want offline maps downloaded in your iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So first thing you need to do is open Google Maps on your iPhone. In the Google Maps homepage, look for the specific area or map you want. Swipe up from the center bottom. Then swipe left until you see the download button. Tap on it. The next screen will ask you if you want to download the map. Tap on download on the bottom right. After successfully downloading the map you want, even when you don't have internet access or signal, you will be able to open that specific map on your Google Maps app on your iPhone. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.